Hello everyone, today we're going to be making a lithium ion battery using 18650s, a charge controller, a modified USB hub from a computer, and 2 DC steppers. So first we're going to connect the wires to the DC steppers. Alright, so we've got it all soldered up to the output, and I've got it plugged into the wall, and then I've got a multimeter on the output. So we want to change the pot until it gets 5 volts. That's just so it's safe discharge and recharge. We're going to do that for both. So just take this, and it's very hard actually to get a little screwdriver in there. There we go. And we're just going to put this to 5 volts. Okay, there we go. And I'll do that with the next one. Alright, now we're going to wire the 4 wires to the charge protection board. Alright, so I finished it. Yes, it does look an abomination, especially when you consider that I only have one color of wire. But, oh well. Next is the batteries. Now the batteries will be configured like this. It'll be in series. And it all lines up with the charge connector for the regulator, I'll just say. Forgetting how to talk. Please focus. There we go. So we have power. So power output, really. And then on the other side you can see the names. So you've got battery plus, battery negative, and battery 1, battery 2. And that again lines up with that diagram. Alright. Let's let's solder these batteries connected. They are Westinghouse, given to me by a friend's grandfather, actually. He's really kind. And I haven't thought of any project to use them with, but I guess a homemade battery bank works well enough, and I believe they are 2,000 milliamp hours, sorry. So they'll work well enough in series. So let's solder them together. Alright, all soldering is done, but it looks a little messy, so let's clean that up and put some extra tape on there. Alright, now that we have, don't worry, I put a lot of heat resistant tape around it just to protect it, and then I put duct tape, an extra layer. So now we are going to connect the 2 power controllers, and then we're going to put 2 additional wires on the output, and then solder those all together. Alright, so I've wired almost everything together. So we just have the input for the power system. So basically we've got USB hub, DC converter for the USB hub. It takes the output power of 12 volts and brings it to 5 volts. Then this is the input power source, so that's how you charge it. And both of these just go to these 2 leads, and those 2 leads will connect to the battery. I'll make all these connections safer, and then I'll solder the battery together, and then we're basically done. Alright, so we basically got that completed. We have the connection, main power connections, then we have the charger, then we have the voltage output controller, and then we have our USB port, and then we have all the internals in here. I'm basically just gonna see if I have any mistakes made, put this in a bucket and leave it outside. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.